Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I am designing a fully responsive invoice page using HTML, CSS and little JavaScript. So I'll show how you the final layout first, then work toward my code step by step. So let's go to my video. So here's the invoice page. At the top we have the brand logo and invoice heading. With the invoice number and date, on the left is the bill to customer details, and on the right the company's address and contact. Below that is the item table with descriptions, quantities, unique prices and line totals. At the bottom we show subtotal, tax, discount and grand total. So the layout adapts nicely from desktop to tablet to mobile. So I'll switch to the smaller screen. So this is the mobile view, and notice the two columns stack vertically. The table becomes scrollable horizontally if needed, and spacing tightens while keeping everything readable. So let's go to my VS Code. So the HTML starts with the container, a header for branding and invoice meta, a two-column addresses section, the item table and total section. I keep the markup semantic and minimal, using utility classes for spacing and alignment. So in the header we display the logo or site name on the left and invoice details. On the right, invoice number, date and optional order ID or payment method. This helps both the customer and accounting teams. So in the address section, the left column shows bill to customer name, address, email and mobile phone. The right column shows the company information, name, address, email, phone and website. On mobile, these stack for clarity. The item table includes columns for item description, quantity, unit price, line total. We write a line numeric column, keep descriptions flexible and ensure the table is readable on small screens. If there are many columns, we add horizontal scrolling for mobile. So below the items, we calculate subtotal, tax, discount, grand total. So we emphasize the grand total visual to make it stand out. So for CSS, I use a max with container, ample white space, consistent typology and simple color palette for headings and borders. Media queries adjust font size, paddings and switch the two columns layout to a single column on small screens. The table gets overflowed wrapped for mobile. If you want this page to compute totals dynamically, a small JavaScript snippet can read quantities and prices, recalculate line totals and summary fields, format currency consistently. You can also add a print invoice button that calls window dot print. So optional enhancement include a QR code for quick payment or order lookup, a notes area for delivery instructions, and terms and conditions for refund and payment timelines. So I keep heading structured, ensure context for text, and use alt text for logos. For printing, a print style sheet can hide navigation, adjust colors to black and white, and ensure tablets break nicely across the page. So the structure is header plus meta, addresses, item tables, totals, optional notes with clean HTML, light CSS, and small JavaScript. You get a responsive professional invoice. So that is the responsive invoice page. So thank you for watching my video. So if this video is helped you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So have a nice day.